going to walk through how my application Team Profile Generator works. First, I'm going to show you that all my tests pass. So I'm going to open up my integrated terminal and I'm going to run npm run test. And you'll see here that I have 4 files of tests, one for employee, engineer, manager, intern, and in each one of these, their respective tests pass. So we see here the initialization tests have passed and the methods have passed. And so each of these tests for these corresponding files pass these. And then next, I'm going to show you how I would actually run this application. So I'm going to do node server, index.js. And it's going to prompt me with my name as the team manager. My ID number, my email address, my office number, and then it's going to ask me if I want to add a team member. In this case, I do, and I would like to add an engineer. The name of this engineer is Stephanie Creighton. Employee ID, their employee ID is 02, but I'm going to show you that how the validation here works and instead put in some letters. Now let's say, please enter a number. So then I'm going to go back and actually enter their ID and also show you the validation for email addresses. I'm going to leave off some of their email address. And it says, please provide a valid email. So then I'm going to go back and enter their actual email address correctly, their GitHub username, and then I actually want to add another team member. So I'm going to say yes, and I'll add an intern this time. And that intern's name is Jonathan Chen. Employee number 3, their email address, and they went to the University of Washington. And back to my prompts to add a team member. And you know what? I just realized I need to add another engineer. So I'm going to say yes. That engineer's name is JMS Devenga. Employee ID number 4. Their email address. And their GitHub. Okay, and at this point I've built my entire team. So I'm going to exit out of the application by saying, no, I don't want to add a team member. And then you will see here in my dist folder, an HTML file has been generated. And it has all the information that I just input using my application. And when I open this in my browser, you can see my team profile is generated with some styling that I added. All right, that's all. Thanks for watching.